Hi everybody, welcome back. And see who's with me.
Sawadika!
I'm actually in Bangkok right now, and let me show you my setup to do this filming because I want to do the unboxing really fast. Let's show you how it looks like. So we're sitting on the bed, sexy slippers. I'm in this dress.
Don't make fun of my socks.
Okay, let me show you what I'm putting the camera on. It's it's on the bed, and this is the ironing board. Okay, back to the unboxing, and actually it's about, what time is it?
God. It's 9:04 Bangkok time.
9:04 Bangkok time, so it's about 10 o'clock back at home. The only reason I'm doing this unboxing right now is because I actually want to check the item. So, yes. Okay, so I've got something from Chanel, something really small and something really unexpected. Okay, so this is the receipt. Actually, this is the tax refund. They get back about, let me see how many percent. The tax is 7%, but I think after all the fees and all, probably get back about 5%. Right. So this is the little box. Irritating. Okay, let's do this. Let's see it. Oh, it comes in, okay, interesting packaging. Comes in a, what's this? A drawstring bag. It used to come in a flat bag. And the paperwork. Okay. Let me show you what I got. I got the cosmetic pouch. Black caviar with champagne gold hardware. This is the seasonal version. There we go. Oh, that's my authenticity card. That is so freaking hard to say. Let me just double check it. Fail. Okay, so this is my new item. It's the cosmetic case, and it was a really unexpected purchase because I actually walked into Chanel to look at the fanny pack because I was hoping that, because I heard that Bangkok has more stock, and they really have more stock. Apparently the fanny pack, the one that I said that I'm not gonna buy, I've been looking for it. They said they got 10 pieces into Bangkok, which is actually a lot, but they have a lot of buyers in Bangkok as well. So that's what she said. She was telling me that they actually have a lot. So they actually have a lot of stock. They even had this in the new red color, the cherry red color, but yeah, I decided to go for black. I think black is more classic, right?
Yes. I helped her pick the color.
So anyway, I found out something really interesting about these cosmetic cases. So I asked him, I said, why is the cosmetic case, this one, in this black color? This is the black. It's that wipeable material, so that if you put like cosmetic cases, you can wipe it out. If anything of your makeup and all. This is made in Italy. So I said that the one in Lambskin is red in color, the burgundy color, the classic color. So he was saying that these cosmetic cases, that if you see a black one with like gold trimming, gold hardware, and you see the interior is not the burgundy color, it will be a seasonal piece. So this is actually a seasonal piece. I didn't actually know that. The cherry red color with the gold hardware as well, it had the burgundy interior. So I was actually thinking about getting that, but yeah, black is better. So yeah, I got this. This is a little bit unexpected purchase, and I'm happy because I've been searching for this for quite a while, almost a year. I think about maybe 3 seasons. I saw it, and I prefer this. Like, this is a better buy than the other old case, which is the flat one, because this you can actually put stuff inside and it's wipeable. So yes, I'm excited. It's a really unexpected unboxing. Yeah, it's on an iron. And I'm in something that I bought from Platinum Mall. Sexy bag. On the bed.
You want to tell them about
UL.
UL.
yeah. So apparently, we were buying a lot of clothes in Platinum, and we were looking at this like panties, okay, and it was in this kind of, I don't know what do you call them? Those
Like a little mini display carousel.
yeah, you can display, so you can turn, you can see the sizes and all. So the salesperson, we were like, oh, what size should we be? And we were holding, I think we were like maybe the free size, and he was like, this is free size, but you L. You L, okay? You're L size. We're like, no, we're not L. We take the panty, we put like, okay,
Yeah.
maybe.
And then we went and ate ice cream.
Yeah. You L.
That was the highlight of the trip. So sad. We are officially L.
We're L size. So this dress, because a lot of things were actually free size, right? So there was another pants that was kind of okay. Like to me, it looked like an S or maybe an M size. And I was trying it on, and she's like, I said, oh, what size is this? This is a little bit big. Yeah, this is XL, but you L. I'm like, oh no, I'm L again. You L. Oh, my phone's ringing. Okay, alright, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Really impromptu. Watch out for the vlogs. I make sure that hopefully this unboxing will go up before the vlogs, but I think we've got quite a lot of footage of us buying things, eating things, ice cream, giant lobster tom yum, I don't know. And tomorrow is still another shopping day, so.
Oh, we still have our mango.
Oh yeah!
We haven't eaten it yet.
Mango, wait, let me show you.
Ugh, dessert.
Dessert! Oh. Yes. Actually, it's not cheaper. It's 100 baht. So this was 100 baht. So 100 baht used to be about 1 ringgit. So like 1 ringgit is 10 baht. 100 baht would be 10 ringgit. So this is for 10 ringgit. It's really expensive for one mango. But now the conversion is obviously a little bit more, but it's easier to convert like 100 baht, 10 ringgit. So this was like 10 ringgit. 10 ringgit!
You have to eat every little grain.
I know, right? Mango sticky rice. Have to eat this when you are in Thailand. Must. Yes, very nice. Very nice. This was the last piece, by the way. Okay, so you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!